Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning into my channel today, and I have a very small Dollar Tree haul here of just 4 pieces. I have some push pins here and I have cardboard drawers here. I am in love with these types of cardboard drawers that the Dollar Tree sells. A while back I bought a whole bunch in different patterns, different colors. But I went to the Dollar Tree the other day in another town and they had ones that I didn't have. I didn't have these patterns. So I bought these and I'm going to show you what you can do with these. I'm going to give you a few ideas on how to use these besides what they are meant to be. Now back there I have some push pins. So each package, each item is $1.25. as it is around the state or over the state. And so let's take for example this box here, right? You have the 2 drawers. Now one of my ideas is you can always make this some type of dresser in a girl's room, right? Let's say you want to create a miniature setting, even in a dollhouse or anything like that, and you don't have a real miniature dresser. This would do the trick. And you will continue to create and continue to create. That vase is not even a real miniature vase. That was just a piece of some odd item that I had, and I just screwed it off. Now that little piece there, that little branch, might have been from artificial plants or flowers that I had. So there's always something that you can make out of something. Now the mirror, you don't have to have a real miniature mirror. You can have any mirror. It could be from your makeup. From your makeup you'll have a mirror. So that can be the dresser in a little girl's room. Now you can also use it as a closet. Just flip it that way and you'll have a closet for a creation. Look at that. Perfect closet. So there are a lot of things that you can do with these, even removing the drawers and using it as a shelf unit, you know what I mean? Insert things in there. So there's a lot that you can do with that. Now I'm going to show you what you can do with the other one, just because it's a different color. Now this one gave me the idea for a girl's room, but this one I'm going to do something different. So just leave it like that and just place a flat screen TV right on top, right? So now you might have some furniture that you can lay around here. And that's it. Look, you have a TV stand right there. And that's among other things that you can do with these boxes. So you have your TV stand there and you have your dresser over there. Now, if I didn't want to put a TV there, I can also make an accent wall right behind it, like this. So let's say this is against the wall and you have your accent wall using all of those. Or maybe filling up the rest of the gap with those other ones. So you'll have an entire accent wall right behind this piece. So that is another idea. Okay. So I hope that you have enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.